Hello and welcome to Learning Business Central with Infusion Solutions. My name is Allison Ferris and I'm a software consultant here at Infusion. To tell you a little bit about Infusion, we've been in the Microsoft channel for over 20 years now. We're located in Knoxville, Tennessee, and we specialize in creative solutions and integrations within the Microsoft stack. We have customers located throughout the U.S. in a variety of industries. We specialize in distribution, not-for-profit, higher education, healthcare, and we have a tailored solution for the wine and spirits industry. We offer consulting services on business processes, integration services, Power Platform development, Dynamics GP support, and Business Central implementation, development, and support. To tell you a little bit about me, my name is Allison Ferris once again, and I'm a software consultant. I'm also a certified Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central functional consultant, and I've been with Infusion for close to a year and a half now, but I've been in the accounting field for over 25 years. I have 3 children, and I recently moved to Tennessee from New York. An interesting fact about me is I've recently been learning to kayak since I live near the lake here, and it's a great place to do so. Entering payments received from customers using Register Customer Payments in Business Central. To get to Register Customer Payments, I can go to my Tell Me search and type part of those words in, and I can click in to Register Customer Payments, and this brings up an unfiltered list of my full open invoice list for all my customers. I can further filter that down from there if I wish to find a certain customer. I can also go to my action bar under Payments. Register Customer Payments is there. I can go to my navigation bar and go into my customer list. And under Actions, Other, I can register customer payments here. Or I can go into a particular customer, and I have the action to register customer payments from there. When I access it from the customer card, it already brings up a filtered list down to just that customer and all of their open invoices. Registering payments is as simple as checking off the box next to the items I want to pay. So I'm going to pay the full $800 on this item. The date received is defaulting here to my work date that my Business Central session is set to. And the amount received, it was the whole $893. But say I want to modify that and I didn't get paid the full $11,000. I only got $8,500 on this one. I can enter that here. And it updates the remaining amount, and it's only going to apply what I've received. The external document number here might be my customer's check number. So I'll enter that as they're both paid on the same check. And then when I'm ready, I can preview the posting that's going to be made here. If I preview it, it's going to make 4 journal entries here, 2 separate sets of debits and credits, one for each invoice amount being paid on the check. It's going to make 2 customer ledger entries, one for each of the invoices the payment's applying to. It's going to make my bank account ledger entries, one for each deposited separately into the bank account. And the detailed customer ledger entry shows all the payments and applications in the subledger. I can also choose to post this as a lump sum. In that case, it combines the 2 payments into one debit and credit for the total amount received. Same thing in the customer ledger. It records a single payment for the $9,000 total, as well as the bank account, one deposit. One thing to note, if I had made my registering payments from the full list of customers and invoices, and I checked off multiple items, including different customers, my option to post as a lump sum will only post one lump sum per customer. It will not combine payment amounts from one customer and add them to another to come up with a single lump sum. It will be lumped by customer. So I'm going to go ahead and post this. I'm going to do it as a lump sum. And it checks to make sure I want to do that. Now that it's posted, you see my list is reduced down. It shows this amount open remaining on that invoice after my payment was applied, along with the other two. If I want to go in and view my posted payment, I can do that here under the customer in their ledger entries. And here's my payment right at the top of the $9,000. It made a single lump sum entry there. I can also go into my chart of accounts and look in the GL for my checking account. And I can look at the ledger entries there and see my $9,000 posted as a lump sum. I can look in my bank account as well. I'm going to choose the checking. That's where I deposited that payment registry. And I can look at my bank account ledger entries and see the $9,000 deposit there. If I hide this fact box, we can see it a little bit better. One other place that I can go to view my posted payment is in the GL registers. This lists all entries from all journals and modules. If I look at the top one here is my most recent that I posted, I can pull up the general ledger entries, the customer ledger entries, all of them from here. Bank account as well. And if I happen to choose a ledger that was not affected by this, like the vendor ledger I didn't hit, it'll just come up blank. There's nothing there. So those are multiple ways we can go back and check on our posted payment after we've registered it for the customer. If you have any questions, would like more information, or next steps to see how Business Central can help your organization, please send us an email at info@infusion.com or give us a call at 865-688-3434 or visit our website, infusion.com. Thank you for watching.